In this video, we will discuss MLOps with Azure Machine Learning. If you are looking for a comprehensive, engaging course for mastering Azure Machine Learning, plus fully hands-on end-to-end implementation of MLOps DevOps for machine learning on Azure, then this is the right and very unique course for you. What we will discuss in this course: how to use Azure Machine Learning from deployment to production, how to automate end-to-end machine learning solution on Azure, run an end-to-end CI/CD MLOps pipeline using Azure DevOps and Azure Machine Learning, how to use Azure DevOps for continuous integration and continuous deployment on machine learning, best practice and highly demanded capabilities of machine learning on Azure Cloud. Here you can see entire pipeline cycle. First is train model, where we have train model code. Later on, we are going to package this model for further process. I'll have to validate my model for various purpose and going to deploy our model at various platforms. We are going to monitor our model and eventually retain this model for very long time. Now, here is the DevOps loop for machine learning. This is the entire cycle. You can see train and test model is the first step where we are going to train our model. Before this, you will have to write your code and build your model on Visual Studio, Jupyter or any other platform. IDE, I would say. In the third step, you will have to register and manage model. You are going to build a maze of this entire model, which we have earlier trained and tested. Finally, you are going to deploy service and monitor model. Yes, changes are occurring time by time because machine learning operations is a rapidly growing culture and highly demanded in the industry. With a set of principles and guidelines defined in the machine learning world, to deploy a machine learning model into production, you will have to follow this cycle again and again. Before all these steps, you will have to prepare your data also. Now, before this process, we are having this MLOps workflow, which we will discuss in upcoming videos. Here we have app developer, might be you, or you might be working as a data scientist in any company using Azure Machine Learning. You are going to collaborate your code on GitHub or any other platform. You are going to build your app for training purpose. You are going to test your app for validation model. You are going to release this app, which means you are going to deploy this model, and monitor app, which is the model and management monitoring. I'm going to retain this model performance and analysis. So what we are going to discuss here? We are going to discuss model reproducibility, model validation, model deployment, and then model retaining. Let's move to the coding part, which we have implemented several steps on the board. Thank you.